Welcome to your sixth topic, and our topic is about dividing fractions, both similar or dissimilar fractions. Okay, so isa din yung process of obtaining the quotient of the said fractions. Okay, so we have here the format A over B divided by C over T. Okay, yung gagawin natin dito is to retain the first fraction. Okay, change our operation to multiplication and find the reciprocal of your second fractions. Okay, that is kabaliktaran, okay, ng ating fractions. Okay, if our fractions is C over T, therefore its reciprocal is D over C. So yung nangyari dito, the numerator become the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. Okay, then we will proceed to multiplication. Okay, then multiply. A times D is AT, then B times C is BC. Okay, so this is how we obtain the quotient of A fractions. Or shortest way is that multiply the first numerator to the second denominator, okay, and that would be your numerator, that is 80. Okay, the product of that is 80 is your numerator. Okay, to obtain the BC denominator, simply multiply the first denominator to the second numerator to obtain a BC. So yun yung shortcut. Okay, so let's say for example, number 1/2 divide by 1/3. So kung gagamitin natin yung process, we have to retain the first fraction, that is 1/2. Isisulat lang natin. Then this division will become multiplication, but we need to find the reciprocal of our second fraction. Okay? So yung 1/3, its reciprocal is 3 over 1. Okay, then proceed to multiplication. 1 times 3 is 3 over 2 times 1 is 2. Okay? Or simplified into a mixed number, that is 1 and 1/2. This is the answer. Okay? 3 halves or 1 and 1/2. Okay, so kung dadaan tayo sa shortcut, again, to obtain the numerator, which is 3, simply multiply the numerator of the first fraction to the second denominator of your second fractions. Okay, so that is 1 times 3 is 3, and then 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, same quotient. Okay, number 2, 2/5 divide by 4/10. Okay, so rule again natin is to retain the first fraction, proceed to multiplication, then find the reciprocal of the second fraction. So in this case, 4/10 is the given and its reciprocal is 10 over 4. Kabaliktaran niya pa. Okay? Then multiply 2 times 20 is 20. 2 times 10 rather is 20. Over 5 times 4 is also 20. 20 over 20 is equal to 1. Therefore, the answer is 1. Next number. 7/8 divide by 7/4. Ulitin ko lang. The process or the step is to retain the first fraction. So 7/8 copy lang. Then proceed to multiplication. Find the reciprocal of your second fraction. In this case, we have 4 over 7. Kabaliktaran po. Okay? Then multiply 7 times 4 is 28 over 8 times 7 is 56. Or we can simplify this further by dividing both parts of this fraction by 28. So we get 1/2. Therefore, this item has a quotient of 1/2. Last item, 6 over 54 divided by 2 over 3. Again, retain the first fraction, proceed to multiplication, and find the reciprocal of your second fraction. That is 3/2. Multiply 6 times 3, 18. Then 54 times 2 is 108. Okay? So we need to find the simplest form of 18 over 108. Okay? By what? By dividing this number by 9. Let's say, for example, 9. So 18 divided by 9 is 2. The 108 divided by 9 is 12. Okay? Or it can be simplified further into 1 over 6. So the answer is 1 over 6. So this is how you divide fractions.